Thank you for visiting sidwashere.com. I hope that you're on this page because you're looking for property management for your furnished rental. Sid Was Here does furnished rental management only. We are only in the low country of Savannah, Georgia, and the surrounding areas. We cover from Tybee Island out to Pooler, Bloomingdale, Pembroke, Rincon, all the way down the coast. So if you have a property in those areas, we would love to speak with you. We are a full service management company. We do everything. You as the owner do nothing. So we're going to handle whatever comes up. We're going to let you know, if something happens, you'll be involved in that, but we're going to handle it for you. So just a few things that I want to cover. I'm sure you have lots of questions and it's easier to watch a video than make a phone call. So just want to cover a few things. As part of our management fee, we do cover all minor repairs and maintenance. Things are going to happen. We want your home kept at a very high level so that we get great reviews. So anything we can manage in-house and repair, we're going to do that. That includes replacing your air filters every 3 months, replacing doorknobs or any kind of repairs, caulking your tub. Like, we can do those in-house. You'll never see a bill. Worst case scenario, if we have to buy something, say a doorknob or an air filter, or maybe we have to buy a floor mat or something, you might get the bill for that item that we purchased for your home, but you're not going to get a bill for the staff time to put it in. That's covered. We're going to handle that. We do typically have very short turnaround time, so we want to keep the home at a very high level, and we don't want to have to nickel and dime you and make you feel like you're getting charged $40 or $50 every time we set foot in the door. We have a great team. We're always going to clean the home on the day of checkout, and we're always going to have a quality control person in the home the day of check-in. We want to make sure each guest checks in and the home is the right temperature. We have some lights on for them, etc. And then if there's some time in between when we can do some maintenance, we'll do that as well. We do not upcharge anything. If your air conditioner goes out, we're going to get someone in there to fix it. You would pay that company directly, and you don't have to worry about us tacking on an extra fee. That is something that does happen sometimes. As part of our management, we even cover the first-time photography for your home. So we really are not here to take money from you. We're here to hand money to you. We want you to do well and hand more rentals to us. We'd love to grow with you. We've had several owners do that. I'm an agent here in town. They'll buy one, then they'll buy two, they'll buy three. We'll manage it for you, and it just gives you a one-stop shop. So we're very proud of the services that we're doing here in Savannah. We also have a 24/7 support team. Someone is always going to pick up the phone, answer a text if your guests have an issue or if you have an issue. We also have an excellent owners portal. For each of our owners, you can log in, you can see your bookings, you can see how many guests are staying, how many days they'll be there. You can block off dates if you plan to stay in the rental. That's no problem. There's never a charge. The only thing is we're going to have to clean and restock the home after your visit. But we'll let you know up front, kind of what that entails. It's not usually too big of a deal, and that's really would be the only fee. But we have to make sure the home is, up to our standards and restocked every single time. That's why we do that. Basically, it's a full service operation. You do nothing and we do everything. We don't need an owner's closet. Again, we're going to restock the home. We're going to make sure it has toilet paper, bags, everything. We don't want the owner to be worried about that. I hope this answers some of your questions about our management services. We would love to speak to you by phone. If you would like to reach out anytime, we can show you what our management agreement entails. We actually don't make you sign any kind of like an annual management agreement. It's a month-to-month deal. We want you happy. We want you to stay if you're happy. And we also want to be happy and working together. So it's very much a mutual consent thing. So I hope that this answers some of your questions. Please reach out if you're interested, and we would love to earn your business here at Sid Was Here.